Have you ever stood in your storage cupboard, looked at all those old brooms, worn-out brushes, fraying sponges, cracked dustpans, and thought, this is all just junk now? What if I told you that those useless tools you're about to throw away could actually become your most powerful helpers again, saving you money, time, effort, and even transforming the way you clean and organize your home? Imagine turning an old mop into something useful, a broken broom into a smart household solution, or a tired scrub brush into something surprisingly helpful. Sounds unbelievable, right? But today, I am going to reveal creative repurposing hacks professionals secretly love, and once you see them, you will never look at old cleaning tools the same way again. Before we jump in, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss amazing household ideas like this. Reimagining old cleaning tools. Instead of throwing them away, most people think once a cleaning tool looks old, worn, or slightly damaged, it's time to toss it. But professionals know something different. The best cleaning and household helpers are not always new, shiny, or expensive. Sometimes, they're the tools that have already served a purpose and are ready for their next mission. Old tools are sturdy, already flexible, and have just enough wear that makes them perfect for creative reuse. Instead of contributing to waste and spending extra money, you can cleverly repurpose them and give them a second useful life. Old toothbrushes, tiny heroes for delicate and detailed cleaning. Never underestimate an old toothbrush. Even when it can't clean your teeth anymore, it still has incredible life left in it. Old toothbrushes become perfect precision cleaners. You can use them to scrub grout lines, clean sink edges, polish jewelry, detail clean faucets, remove dirt from window tracks, refresh shoes, and even clean around appliance buttons. Because their bristles are soft yet strong, they reach tiny spaces normal tools can't. And the best part? You already have them at home, so this hack costs nothing. Transforming worn-out sponges into handy household helpers. When a sponge loses its softness or begins to break slightly, don't throw it away yet. Cut old sponges into smaller pieces and use them for jobs where new sponges feel like a waste. Old sponges also work brilliantly as protective padding under plant pots, furniture legs, or even fragile items in cabinets. One useless sponge suddenly becomes extremely valuable in multiple ways. Giving new purpose to old brooms and brush heads. A broom with damaged bristles may no longer sweep floors properly, but it still has strength and structure. Remove the broom head and use it as an outdoor scrubbing brush for balconies, patios, tiles, and outdoor stairs. Repurposing old mops into genius cleaning assistants. An old mop might not clean floors perfectly anymore, but its fabric strands are still incredibly helpful. You can turn an old mop head into a dusting tool to clean fans, tall shelves, corners of ceilings, and cobweb areas. Wrap it in a microfiber cloth, and suddenly it becomes a deluxe duster. The softness protects surfaces, while the fibers grab dust easily. For creative minds, mop strands even become amazing craft material for DIY home decor projects. What once felt useless becomes surprisingly powerful again. Conclusion: turning old into extraordinary. So next time you hold a worn-out brush, a tired sponge, a broken broom, or an old mop, pause for a moment. Ask yourself, is this really useless, or is it secretly my next smart hack? Because most of the time, it isn't junk, it's opportunity. With a little imagination and the right mindset, old cleaning tools don't just get thrown away. They continue serving, helping, and making your home life easier, smarter, and more satisfying. If you loved these ideas and now see your old cleaning tools in a totally new way, then don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss genius tricks like this. Share this with someone who always throws things away too quickly, because together we can make cleaning smarter, budget-friendly, and way more fun.